Okay, today we'll be looking at this Union Sangyo oil filter, number C-562. And you can get this oil filter at frsport.com for $3.15 plus shipping. But I got this filter for free. A viewer named Doug Davis from Peoria, Illinois, sent me this oil filter. Thanks, Doug. And this oil filter fits his 2000 Honda CR-V. Yep, the one with the 2.0 liter engine. So let's get started. This is simple. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration here. Okay, let's take a quick look at the box. Subsidiary of Union Sangyo Company, Ltd, Japan. Made in Malaysia. Alright, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Okay, there's no date code up here. So I thought, but I think I found one right here. A1029. And it has this plastic covering over it. Okay, she has 8 inlet holes. Looks like a bypass valve down below there. Metal core with holes. And this looks like a nitro rubber gasket. That's in there really good, folks. So I'm not gonna, well, yeah, that's in there. There, came out. It goes right inside this groove. Yeah, it's a nice gasket. How about the threads? Ooh, a lot of threads there. There's about 5 there, I think. Yeah, that all looks good. I say we cut this guy open and see what's inside. Yep, coil spring. See how much she weighs. 208 grams. And this filter element sticks right in there pretty good. Yeah, it goes right in there real good. Doesn't even want to come out. Let's see what the base plate weighs. 90 grams. And we got a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve, which fits on here really nice. You can tell they put like a little oil on here also inside the filter, but look, yeah, it's on it pretty good. It does come off if you shake it, but still it covers up the holes nicely. Okay, the filter element weighs 56 grams. Get your metal end caps, bypass valve right here, metal crimp seam, and I counted 54 pleats, and I couldn't find any specs for this filter, like what this filter media is made out of, or micron rating, or nothing. So, but okay, and seen this spring, coil spring. And let's weigh the coil spring for the heck of it. 8 grams. The can weighs 51 grams. Let's get a measurement on this can. 0.43 millimeters. It's about average, 0.4 to 0.5. Yeah, it feels okay. And filter element, let's get a measurement on this. 2.08 inches wide. Yep, so I say we cut this guy open, stretch this filter media out, and see how long it is. Be right back. Okay, here's the filter media all stretched out, and it's 51.5 inches long. Okay, here we are at the seam. I cut a little sample to get a measurement of. And today I'm going to be using my new thickness gauge. Yeah, I just got this. And I should get better measurements with this, more accurate measurements than using the calipers I was using. So let's see what it says. 0.68 millimeters thick. It's spring loaded. Yeah, this is going to be a big improvement. Give you guys better readings. Well, I wish I had some filtration numbers for you guys, but there's nothing, and I don't even know what this media is. But if I had to take a guess, I would say it's some kind of paper cellulose media. Let's look at the rest of the filter. And we got the coil spring, which I like. The base plate, it's a nice base plate. It's got a lot of threads. A lot of threads there. The anti-drain back valve fits on there pretty snug, even though it's natural rubber, but it fits on there snug. It's nice. Gasket's nice. It was pre-lubed, by the way, in case you guys didn't know. Okay, and metal core. It's got a lot of holes. It's smooth here, so it's not rough. Bypass valve here. I don't know what the setting for that is either, but this all looks nice. And can looks nice. So what do you guys think about this filter? Please post your comments down below. So I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The filter media weighs 10 grams.